Alright, you can either download a wallet on Play Store, or you click on a link to take you there directly. So here we are. We have downloaded already, so we take open. Now you will be asked if you want to create a new wallet or you have an existing wallet. If it is your first time of creating a wallet, you take create wallet. But if you had a wallet before, maybe on another device, and you want to transfer the wallet to a new device, or you uninstalled your current wallet and you want to install the app again, then you take already have a wallet. But now, since most of us are creating a wallet for the first time, let's take create a new wallet. So you click on it. So you click on I understand that if I lose my recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. Security. You click on it, you continue. So this is, you can see on the screen, your recovery passphrase. Write down or copy these words in the right order and save them somewhere safe. I keep on emphasizing on security. These are the things that you should keep very safe, because if you get to uninstall your wallet on a device, for you to actually log in to another, this is what you need. So these are the things you need to back up. Keep them very safe. Write them orderly. Now I'll quickly write them down, beginning from the first. So be careful when you're writing so you don't miss it out. And also, you have to keep it very safe. Avoid screenshotting your face. You don't know who might access your gallery. So the numbers are even there to help you write them in order. This passphrase is very important. Keep it safe. So you can copy it as well. Maybe you can copy and send to another device that you want to save there, or you can generate a code, something like this. But then that's not what we want. So we have copied it on a piece of paper for now, and let's proceed. So you take continue. Alright, now these are the same passphrase that have been shown to you in a disorganized manner. Now you need to arrange them to make them know that you have actually copied down your passphrase and you're in charge of it. So let's begin with the first, which is donor. The second. So when you're writing yours down, write the numbers beside so you know which one is the first, which one is the second, the third, the fourth, and all the like. Okay. And if you don't do it rightly, it won't go. So you can see they have confirmed it automatically. Well done. So we proceed by taking done. Alright, your wallet is successfully created. You take done. Push notification. Okay, for them to notify you. So this is how your wallet actually looks like. These are some of the coins that are already on the dashboard. You have the send button. Let's look at it. Buy cryptocurrency. So you cannot send any coin to someone because your wallet is empty. Okay, we take receive. So these are the various coins you can actually receive, maybe from someone you're buying from, or from a friend giving you as a gift. And if you want to, let's say you want to buy Trons. You can actually click on it. You copy the wallet address here. This is copy, and then you paste it on the maybe the WhatsApp of someone who is to sell to you, or the Telegram, or you can as well share directly from the platform to your different social media. So it depends on you. So let's go back. We'll come to sending and receiving letter. You can also buy directly. Let's say you want to buy BTC, that's Bitcoin. So you can put in the amount you want to buy. It's like they gave us the maximum there. Okay. So with this wallet, you cannot buy Bitcoin above $20,000. So we don't have that kind of money even. Alright, with $150 we can buy. So let's take next. It's loading. So you need to enter your email and then you proceed. So we are not buying directly. Let's get back. So if you need to buy directly from the wallet, you'll be needing, of course, your card to help you do the transaction. Now as you can see, we are still on the first button at the bottom of your screen, which is the wallet. That's where we are. So you can move to the apps. That's the second icon, bottom of your screen. So it has a lot of news and updates. You can move to Dex, which is the third icon, bottom of your screen. It's still loading. So yeah, it is like a swapping site. You can actually swap let's say Ethereum to Theta USD, or maybe to BNB, which is Binance Coin. You can actually swap one coin to another, and then you have the setting as well. So you have the setting here. So these are the various communities involved. You can join any of them. All right.